In today's video, let's talk about how to use Deepseek AI for free. Welcome back to a new tutorial video, everyone. Deepseek is an AI platform which is currently free to use. So if you're wondering how you can use it for free, you just need to create an account of Deepseek and you get access to all of its features. To sign up for Deepseek, head over to deepseek.com. If you're using a mobile phone, either you can open up a web browser or download the application as well. Click on the Deepseek option on the left hand side and then click on the sign up option on the bottom right. Fill in your email address, create a password, and then confirm your password. Once you fill in these three options, click on send code. This way a code will be sent to your email address that you just added in. Type in the code and then click on sign up. This way you'll be immediately signed up for an account of Deepseek. Once you've been signed up, you'll be directed to this interface where you can use all of these features that are available for completely free. You can use the search feature or the deep think feature depending upon what your task or queries that you have. That's all for this video. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.